In redefining students, that is the natural course of redefining teachers. But also, in case you haven't noticed, our students have redefined themselves already. We need to catch up. We didn't redefine them. We're redefining the teachers so that we can go to where our students are. Here's what they need: to be engaged in real-world, relevant problem-solving and learning in a STEM environment. That student is adept in demonstrating a variety of assessment formats, expertise based on experiences using various technologies. They are college ready upon graduation. Not just graduation. They don't need remediation. They're college ready. Understanding of skills and knowledge needed to be in this 21st century workforce. Has a carefully nurtured interest in STEM careers. Experiences and appreciation for the power of a community collaborative. I'm just going to show you very plainly, because I want to show you how we're going to judge all of this. I'm not going into all this, I just want to make one point. We decided that if we're going to talk about these things, if you look up at the top, redefine teacher, and if you skip over to the third column, redefine student, same thing I just showed you, how are we going to measure that? We are lucky enough that the state of North Carolina has a very good new teacher evaluation instrument. When we started with this, we found that that new instrument lines up beautifully with how we measure the redefined teacher. So there it is. There's part of it. Now we can get into that. We can get into this in depth, but it's not necessary today. With redefined student, we called in some of our experts. Ms. Graham would be one of those on the design team, and we said, if we're talking about this particular student, redefined student, what do we want them? What is the outcome there? Okay. I want you to pay attention to what's in the student outcomes as you go. What we think teachers redefined will produce in students. If you will, just look at that column. I'm not going to read it to you. Next page. Okay? And that's the last page. Well, anyway, this is the metric that we're using. This is our framework, measurable, but measured in a different way. We're measuring teachers in a different way. We're measuring students in a different way.